Hello, my name is John Wingfield, and I'm this year's President of the Board of Directors of the Society for Laboratory Automation and Screening. I'd like to take a few minutes of your very valuable time to talk a little bit about what's up and coming in the next few weeks within the Society for Laboratory Automation and Screening. At the end of May, which is now only a couple of weeks away, who'd have thought it, we have our Europe conference. This year it's going to be in Barcelona, and frankly, what could be better than the end of May in Barcelona? This year's theme is very much around revolutionizing life sciences and innovation. And I think that is absolutely a theme that runs right the way through all of the event. I must admit, when I looked at the program and the agenda, I was really taken with how innovative the sessions really will be. In particular, I'm really interested in the first keynote speaker. And I say that because when I started out in science many, many years ago now, I was a microbiologist. In fact, my first degree was microbiology with genetics, because they hadn't actually invented the word biotechnology. So for me, it's always thrilling to get to go and listen to somebody talk about basically biotechnology, microbiology, and how mankind is now able to engineer bacteria to have a really positive impact on society and in this case, disease. So I'm really looking forward to Luis Serrano's presentation as the keynote speaker on day one. Certainly from my perspective, I love technology. So I'm very much going to be excited and interested in attending the talks in that Frontiers in Technology session. Over the 2 days, there's a really good mix, so I won't just be attending that session, but for me, the highlights are likely to be, what are we actually doing to get to that lab of the future? How do we take the big data sets that we're now able to generate in the screening and profiling world and really dig into and leverage the really rich data sets that we're now able to generate? And what impact are tools like machine learning and AI really going to have on a day-to-day basis in terms of helping us bring better medicines to the clinic, things that can really improve the productivity of the pharma industry and the biotech industry? I think they're going to be really, really key. As an industry, we've for a long time struggled with productivity, and I think the tools that we now have at our fingertips offer us a fantastic opportunity to really change that paradigm and make it much easier for us to be productive and to be able to shorten the timelines between the identification of novel targets and generation of those new clinical compounds that ultimately will have a huge positive impact on the lives of patients wherever they are around the world. So for me, I think those are going to be the things that I'm really looking forward to. Of course, I'm looking forward to the opportunity to meet people, to talk science, to listen to some great science as well. This is a great opportunity to get out of the office, to get out of the lab, to take a little bit of time to really get back to the scientific roots, the things that made us all excited about science. So let's go and let's take advantage of that. Let's use that opportunity to meet each other, to talk about the great science that we do, to look at the innovation, the new technology products that are going to be available. The show floor is going to be exceptional this year. I know it's going to be really, really busy. One of the biggest exhibitions I think that we've had at the European conference. So a great opportunity to go and talk to the vendors in a great environment. So again, I would really encourage you to take full advantage of those opportunities to meet colleagues and potential collaborators of the future. I think as ever with these sorts of conferences, it really pays to plan up front. So definitely take the opportunity to go to the slas.org website, take a look at the conference and the agenda, and really plan up front. Think about which sessions you really want to go to. Think about which vendors you really want to engage with, those really key vendors. Perhaps they could be companies that you're looking to buy equipment from before the end of the year. Maybe it's about planning next year's investments to help drive up the productivity in your lab. But planning, absolutely, I think is one of the top tips. The SLAS app should be available shortly, so you'll be able to go in and take a look at exactly when vendors will be doing their presentations, when speakers and sessions will be running, and also, of course, when there will be opportunities for you to have a little bit of downtime, to relax, and to meet in a more social and welcoming environment. Well, overall, I think it's a great opportunity. I certainly am looking forward to it enormously, and I look forward to meeting any of you who've seen this video. If you want to come up and chat, I'm always happy to talk about science. So I'm really looking forward to it. And with that, I sign off, and hopefully I'll see you in Barcelona. So I look forward to that. Thanks very much. Bye.